A pick a rock! Yeah, I think that might be my new. Oh, did that suddenly interest you, Stella? Stella just all of a sudden ran in here. Well, you're wondering why I have scissors in my hands. I'm not gonna cut you. Well, before I get to what I'm gonna do today, I saw Black Panther. Great movie. Could have had a tiny bit more action in it. And I don't know. I think Killmonger should have gotten a bit more, story. Um, but all the actors is great. Lupita Nyong'o, I forgot the person who played Black Panther's name, and Michael B. Jordan. Not the stop it, get some help, Michael Jordan, but just another Michael Jordan. Let's see, other movies are coming out. I'm not really into those Deadpool movies, so. Isle of Dogs looks stupid. Infinity War. Yeah, I got a package here. Let me try to think. Sherlock Gnomes, that looks cringy. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's generally it for movies coming out. Okay, Ready Player One looks kind of cool, but I'm worried it's gonna be. Okay, well, someone said that he was worried that Infinity War was gonna have too much going on. Well, I'm worried that's gonna have a bit too much going on. I mean, there's freaking Iron Giant, monster trucks, Bigfoot in there, freaking Tracer from Overwatch, Chucky. Oh my god. Why the frick is Chucky in there? I got a date with a 6-year-old boy. No, come on. No! Oh my god, the Chucky movies are just so bad, they're funny. Chucky used to scare the shit out of my little cousin. No, older cousin Spencer. Other than that, let's talk about the World Finals. Double Down Showdown. Goodness gracious, there was a lot of crashes. I thought it was going to be on Fox Sports 1, but it was just a preview. I actually got all the stuff spoiled for me because of Monster Jam recommended videos. It was like Gravedigger is your World Finals racing champion. Son of a Digger is your World Finals freestyle champion. And also, guys, don't wait until April to get the results of the World Finals. That's just, you're just asking for just spoilers. That's like watching the Super Bowl in March. By the way, football, I kind of like it. I wouldn't play it though. I'm not too into sports. Yeah, racing, Gravedigger won. Adam Anderson, whoop-de-fucking-do. Let's see, freestyle. Oh my gosh, I when I was watching it, I legit thought it was rigged. All the trucks were crashing. By the way, I was so pissed. Okay, Avenger, his amazing looking body just goes over this jump, just flops right over. There was so much hype about his freestyle run. Also, Whiplash, can you please change your theme song? Brianna Mahan, I don't know. Why is there two monster truck drivers that have EA at their names? Like Cody Saucier or Cynthia Gauthier, or as some people say, Gauthier. Yeah. Northern Nightmares freestyle was a disappointment, eh? Come on, Cam McQueen. Well, what happened? Fox Sports Point Cletus, you just did a backflip and just. Now, Todd LeDuc, preach. Well, I kind of agree. I think Son of a Digger's freestyle was awesome. I think this is his first freestyle win. I don't know, but yeah, I got a package from eBay here, and I don't really know what it's gonna be. It might be two things. Now there's nothing here. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, look how, oh my gosh. It's the Destroyer. Right here, that is in fine condition right there. Looks very nice. Do any of you remember World Finals 9? Okay, I mentioned what happened to Jim Kohler this year. Just recently, he just did one thing and just flipped over. Well, Destroyer in 2008, everyone was so hyped. He had this new truck design right here. He was about to go over the jump, and then, yeah. Devour, okay. Yeah, but holy crap! Okay, yeah, great condition here. I got this used, of course, because it came without packaging, and yeah. So next sign up series, expect Destroyer to be in there. And once again, I'm going to be picking for you. Goodbye, yeah. Ooh, kaboosh. Ooh, that looks cool.